It is a gorgeous, gorgeous evening sky. Wow. I just took some really pretty pictures. Look over here. Through the trees. I'm headed out tomorrow from this area, and my next stop is Charlotte, North Carolina. Spent the day here. It was rainy off and on, and there's only a couple of us here right now. I stayed here all day, and I don't know why that car's there. That's not a parking space, and he took off and left with somebody else, so I hope he doesn't come back at 3 in the morning and startle me. Anyways, back to the beautiful sky, beautiful evening. Hope you are enjoying my summer adventures. And for those of you who are new, I'm waiting on my tiny cabin to be built, a place where I will go for a retreat, some reprieve, and to regroup. All right, hope you'll join me. Linda here, Serene and Simple Life. I have just moved over to the other side of the visitor slash rest slash park area, and I've been doing some work at the picnic table. I'm gonna go inside now and see what I can see. I do believe they have a little gift store in here. McDowell Chamber of Commerce. And let's take a look. Alrighty. Look how awesome. Beautiful quilts. Oh, I'm collecting stickers now. This is just a little too big though. I love the magnets. And here's my postcards. The other day when I went for postcards, they were closed after the Linville hike. Hope you enjoyed that video. So I think I'm gonna pick up, I need 3 for 3 grand sweet peas. And the price is right. I've seen them for 75 cents, which I think is a little bit high. This is so nice. I'm assuming this is probably local artists here. Mountain View Gallery and Gifts. My favorites, quilts. Oh my gosh. This is stunning. Log cabin. Lots and lots of work goes into those. Put in the comments, are you a quilter? I'm so impressed. I think it's one of my favorite items. Just don't have the money for such a thing right now. And I love tote bags. I picked up one already that I left at my storage so that it'll be brand new when I'm in my cabin. I'm going to hang it on a coat rack that my son and daughter-in-law got me. These are gorgeous. Wow. Looks like there's something here for everybody. I've not ever seen anything like this. I actually asked the manager if I could film in here, so I walked in real quickly and then came back out to start this video, just so you know. I'm happy there's no music right now. or I'd have to do a voiceover. Never too soon to start picking up your Christmas ornaments. Oh my gosh, look at these. Barnyard drinking pals. Oh my gosh. I love them. They're so awesome. I think that one might be my favorite. That, or of course the cow. But since I don't drink, And then we've got beautiful sculptures. Wow. I love these wood boxes. I love anything wood. Adorable aprons. I might have to get myself a country apron one of these days. I saw this from outside the window, and that's what made me think that they did have a handmade gift items in here. This is beautiful. I didn't ask the manager ahead of time if she minded being videoed, so I'm not going to put her on the spot. Here we are, shop local. Oh my gosh, look at this, unwind. Lake James. Look at this bike. That's so cool. Engage. Mission. Our mission is to provide businesses with the resources, service, and advocacy for economic growth through active community engagement. This is so nice. Alrighty, there you have it. I'm gonna be getting on down the road, and in a couple days I should be in Charlotte, North Carolina. And then from there, I'm headed to Charleston to meet up with a new friend from the channel here. All right. Ooh, look at these rockers. One more thing. I have one of these type rockers. It's called a Texas rocker. I'll be putting it on my screened porch. I'm so excited. Check this out. Have hope, be strong, laugh loud, play hard, live in the moment, smile often, dream big, remember you are loved, and never, never give up. That is fantastic.
That is from our executive director.
Oh my God.
She lives to that same thing.
Wow. That is fantastic. And you're the retail manager
I'm the retail
here.
manager.
What is your name?
Dee.
Nice to meet you,
Nice
Dee.
to meet you.
And thank you for the opportunity to share your store with my audience
No
here.
problem.
I appreciate that. This is beautiful. Are they all local artists here?
Yes.
Wow, very, very nice. Thank you. Was a freebie in the visitor center. Look at this. Let's do May. That's my birthday month. Simple recipes. Yeah, physical activity. When one door of happiness closes, another opens, but we often look so long at the closed door that we do not see the one which has been opened for us. Oh my gosh, mental activity. Another recipe, an activity, and a quote, wherever you are. Whatever you are, be a good one. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Maybe I'll share these with you once a month. How about that? And I got my postcards, Blue Ridge Mountains, got 2 of these for 2 different homes. And then the Linville Falls for the 2 Grand Sweet Peas that live in the same home. Yay! Had a lovely, lovely conversation with the lady inside, and actually she didn't mind being videoed. She started talking and I pointed the camera and she didn't go and run away, so that was my clue. She's very proud of her area. She's a widow. We talked about land, and she has a home that is way too big, but she's going to keep it because it's paid for. She had 10 acres and she sold off some of it. Is so happy she did, rather than keeping it and wondering what would happen to it when she dies. Her son is moving next door, so he will be able to take care of things for her. She said for the last year and a half she's done all of the work herself, and it was just a lovely relating conversation about too much space and loneliness, and that there's many of us out there that have those feelings. So it was very cool. Felt like I met a new friend, and she asked me to send this video, so I gave her my channel and told her about the land search. Awesome. Best part of my day, talking to other people and hearing their stories and relating. I just love it. Great start to the day. Decided to just sit a spell here and have my second cup of coffee. I'm sure you've seen this before. This came from Sebastian, the filmmaker, that's doing a documentary on my life. And gonna have my hard-boiled egg. I don't know, it's about 5 or 6 days old. We'll have to do the smell test and then the taste test if the smell is okay. And perhaps maybe these. I don't know. Now I've got my little note here to work on my videos too, so. Gotta dig the view though. And more rain coming in. I love, love, love that feeling. Yeah. Look how beautiful. My view from the picnic table. And I just heard thunder. One of my favorite noises. A thunderstorm. Raining, raining. I love the sound of rain. Wasn't as much thunder as I had hoped, but I'll take the rain. Yeah, this is day 3 here at the rest area park. I'm calling them parks now. And I just made lunch dinner. Decided to stay put here for a little while. Check it out, check it out. This nice pot Sandy from Washington gave me when I visited. Thank you, Sandy. I'm still using it. And now, today, Kathy gave me these noodles. Just interviewed her and her mini shuttle bus. Hope you enjoyed that. She gave me these because she didn't eat them, I guess, or is not eating them right now. I can't remember. Anyways, I've put together a noodle, my favorite veggie of all time, lima beans, and the infamous chunk light tuna. Added a little butter, stir, stir, stir. Cooked the noodles first, obviously. And then I'm really just heating up the tuna and the limas from the hot noodles. Going to make a delicious afternoon rainy day lunch. I may stay put here. Now I've moved 3 different locations. First I was way up at the top where I showed you the view. And then last night, I don't know, a couple cars. I showed you that one car that parked close by me but wasn't in a parking space. Then 2 other people came, and it was kind of like they had opened up all their car doors, and it was kind of a little, I don't know what kind of dealings are going on here. So I moved, and I wasn't afraid. I just decided to move. So I backed down to the corner there where that white van is right now. And then this morning when I went into the visitor center / handmade gift store, I came around on this side. So I don't know. No one's saying anything to me. I'm kind of curious. How long can you live at a rest area? Put in the comments. Have you ever lived in a rest area for a while? In Tennessee I did, but I talked to the guys and asked them and told them what I was doing. So, all right. This is going to be my couple days in the life again, and planning on heading to Charlotte tomorrow and then meeting up with a friend. And as of a few minutes ago, I think we're going to Mount Pleasant to meet Mike Lindau and Lynn Wood at a rally. Can we all say woohoo? Alrighty. That's the plan. Live simply, live in the moment. Embrace things that you can do because they may not come again. Sometimes opportunity only knocks once. I'm excited. Blessings in your day and joy in the journey. One more thing. There it is. Can we say yum? Thank you, Kathy, for the noodles. If I didn't thank you already. She gave me a couple things. It was awesome. And there is leftovers. Hope you'll join me. Otherwise, I have dinner tonight alone, or tomorrow lunch. I'll put it in one of my little plastic, one of those plastic meat containers that you buy when you buy your lunch meat. I have like 2 of those. Yeah. All right. Later.